everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 978 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have a Dollar Tree find to try out. This is from e.l.f. It's the Brightening Eyeliner Pencil that I found at my Dollar Tree in the shade Coffee. As soon as I start filming, Dexter runs over and I think he just loves the camera. Say hi, Dex. So like I said, I found this at the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. I get so excited when I find e.l.f. products at the Dollar Tree. Even though it's a simple brown eyeliner, I still snatch it up right away as soon as I see an e.l.f. product at my Dollar Tree, because I love e.l.f. products. And in my experience of trying out a lot of e.l.f. products, they're usually really great, and when I can get them for $1, that's even better. But in general, they're pretty affordable, but I'm getting spoiled of finding a lot of e.l.f. dollar store makeup products that when I'm paying drugstore prices for e.l.f., I'm like, what, $5? But I also love that e.l.f. is cruelty free. And when I got this at the Dollar Tree, my Dollar Tree in particular only had this in the shade Coffee. So if you were able to find this at your Dollar Tree, or if you had it at your Dollar Tree in other shades, let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing about Dollar Tree finds. Also, let me know if you've found any great Dollar Tree makeup products these days. So what's really nice about this is that it has a built-in sharpener. So convenient, great for travel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch. Oh yeah, it does have a nice creamy texture, and it's a very dark brown shade. Like, I feel like it almost looks black. That's the swatch. I want to see how this looks on my top lash and my lower lashes. So to start out, I'm going to go ahead and line my upper lash line. So yeah, as you can see, like, it is pulling my eyelid. It's hard for me to drag it across, but that does tend to happen with these pencil liners. It's not a liquid liner, but when that happens, I have a larger mirror in front of me here, and I do find it easier to hold my eyelid to apply it. But I do really like how that looks. And now that it's on my eye, I do think it looks more brown than black because it looks lighter. So it makes it a little bit less intense, which I really like for a daytime eyeliner. So this is the type of eye look where I would just line my upper lash line and not usually line my lower lash line, because I feel like that's going to be a little bit too much on my eyes. But for the fun of it, I'm going to go ahead and try it out. So yeah, it's not the most comfortable eyeliner to apply because it's not super soft. So it does kind of poke my eye, and it's a little bit hard on my eye, but it still serves its purpose. But yeah, I feel like having all of the eyeliner around my eye, even though it is a lighter shade than regular black eyeliner, I do just kind of feel like it closes my eye a little bit. Do you see what I mean? But also, wow, what a difference just a simple eyeliner around the eyes makes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my other eye. So I'm just pulling my eyelid so that I can drag it along the lash line easier. I like how this looks with just the eyeliner on the top lashes in this coffee brown shade. I think it's really nice for a casual, daytime, quick, easy eye look to help emphasize the eyes, make it look like you put a little bit more effort into the makeup look, but it's very easy and only for $1. So yeah, I personally like the look of this eye's makeup compared to this eye makeup, but I am just gonna finish off the look and go ahead and line the lower lash line as well. So interesting how eyeliner trends change. I feel like right now, probably the biggest eyeliner trend is a winged eyeliner and no eyeliner on the lower lashes. But I feel like when I was in high school, this was the trend to do eyeliner all around. And then almost like before that, it was the trend to only apply thick black eyeliner on the lower lash line. So I'm so curious what the eyeliner trends will be in the next 5 years. But I have to say, a classic brown eyeliner pencil like this is never going to go out of style. There's always going to be use for a simple brown eyeliner pencil in your makeup collection, and when you can get a really good one like this for $1, I'd say it's worth it. I'm really happy with how it looks. I'm really happy with the color. Let's see if it smudges. Yep, it does smudge. So that's a little bit of a bummer. You have to keep that in mind as well. I do typically like for my eyeliners to stay in place and not fade away like that, so glad I tried that out. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.